Hello, Professor.
Hello, Prime Minister. Please call me Maxie, and congratulations on winning the election.
Thank you, and thank you for agreeing to talk with me today.
My pleasure. We have a lot to talk about.
I hear that you have been telling my Defence Minister that an alien invasion is imminent.
Yes, sir. They're coming, and we need to prepare ourselves now. We're in grave danger.
That's preposterous. There's no such thing as aliens. Where's your evidence?
Sir, you need to listen to me now before it's too late.
Goodbye, Professor.
Die, alien scum! Die!
Sam, why do you take such pleasure in blasting me every time?
You're so bad at this game.
Because you're an alien scum.
Aliens rule. Aliens are dumb.
You're dumb. This game is dumb. Aliens don't even exist. Well, all we ever do is play these stupid games.
You're stupid.
I want to do something meaningful in my life.
Like what?
I don't know. But we don't even meet up anymore.
Why don't you become a doctor or a nurse? Or join the army?
What, and become a soldier?
Maybe I will.
Shut up, alien scum. It's time to die.
Interesting. Oh, what? Oh no. Hello, Professor. It's Anton from the National Space Observatory. You're right. They're coming.
I hope they're friendly.